The only reason anything gets done in this bloated, lazy, self-satisfied country of ours is because there's people here in this building who are prepared to do what it takes.
Put the box down on the ground in front of you.
This is my brother. It's okay.
Just put the box down and put his hands
just
on
a
his head.
misunderstanding. Everything's going to be fine. Please do it.
I don't know if you've noticed I'm a little different.
I noticed. Do you get how good he is at what he does? Jesse found a way to get in without anybody noticing.
What did he find in there?
Does the Prime Minister know about this?
Your job's to protect the PM, so for him to be able to say, hand on heart, I didn't know, I think is the best possible position at the moment.
There was something in that envelope that wasn't meant to be there.
You posted that video without talking to me.
Half an hour after we posted it, someone hacked our site, and now the video's gone. Who is so desperate to make this disappear, and why?
I mean, I know that it sounds insane that it could happen here, but it did. Something happened and everybody's working so bloody hard to look the other way.